Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering how to change a language. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be by mistakenly change language to other language and you want to make it to English, or your phone currently in English and you decide to change it to your mother tongue. So in order to do that, you click on your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, you need to click here language and import. After click over language import, you need to click here languages. After click over languages, you're going to see there is a install language will be up here, the first one, and if you decide to add any other language, you can click here plus icon and then you're going to see there is a bunch of languages available. You can choose any of them. For example, I decide to say this language. After click over this language, and now if I want to make this language my default, you have to just hold it and bring it upward. After bring it up, we're going to see my phone language change English to Thai language. This looks like Thai language. Let me go back and let me share with you how you can change by accidentally. You might be changing your phone language and you decide that language to English language. Obviously, most of the around the world we are using English language. So you might be decide how you can change it. So here I will share with you some trick follow to go over your phone setting or language setup and change it to English. For example, first of all, obviously you need to go setting. We're going to swipe up and then we're going to see a skin going to be appear just like this. You need to find out this is the gear icon, which is the setting icon. So we're going to click over on it. After click over on it, scroll all the way down and then we're going to find this is the system icon or a system icon obviously. So we have to find out this icon and click over on it. After click over on it, we're going to find another world kind of language icon. So we have to click over on it again, and then here we're going to see this is a Google Translate language, which is you can see it looks like English and Chinese, and we have to click over on it. After click over on it, we're going to see obviously if it is English language is available, you can easily hold it and bring it up. If it is not available, you can go here the plus icon and find out the English language and you can choose the region and easily jump over there. But I am just going back. I already have English language, so I would like to make this Thai language to English language. So I'm just hold it and then I'm bring over there. So in this way, you can easily change language in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.